Okay, gang, it's the next day. She's all wired. I disconnected my negative again. I'm going to reconnect that. But and I tell you what, in a Sportster, there's not a whole lot of room. And I had to make concessions because I couldn't chase my wire under my frame rail on this side. There was just no good way to do it. And the only other option I would have would be to wire it along this side, where I could have probably chased it through. So I'm hoping that that's not going to create an issue. We're going to see when I put the seat back. But there's not a whole lot of room and there's a lot of wiring going on. And these things are definitely big. It would have been nice if they made them a little bit smaller, but they're long and they're big. And you know, like I said, Priscilla doesn't have a whole lot of room to hide wire. And I think I'm kind of maxed out underneath the seat. So if I add anything on, I don't know what I would add, but if I do, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, because I don't think I can put any more wiring underneath there. So next thing I'm going to do is reconnect the battery, put the battery box back on, put the seat back on, and then power the whole system up. Take it for a ride. I got to undo. I still have my little plastic stuff, my little covering on my camera. I'm gonna wait to unveil that when I get it up and running and I get the app loaded and running. So that's it. If I have any issues or problems, I'll do a follow-up. But you know, install was kind of, what was the word I used? Well, it wasn't simple. Nothing simple, but it wasn't difficult. It was somewhere between, you know, easy and difficult. But it wasn't simple. So yeah, I like that this has no monitor, because there would have just been no way to put, you know, to make it look nice up here or to get it functional, practical. So I like where I put my little remote, because I'm hoping that I could just reach over, like when I have my hand on the throttle, and I could hit the record button. It also has a microphone button right there, which I discovered when I was looking at the video. So it'll also pick up audio. Now the wind's going to be going this way, so who knows what kind of wind noise we're going to get. We'll have to wait and see. All right, that's it. She's wired. She's wired. I just have to put it all back together and take it for a little test run. All right, stay tuned. More to come.